Those grocery bags must be very interesting. I'm sure they are. There's steaks in there. The boy is coming. So, Mama buys steaks. The human boy is coming. Won't stay with us for Christmas. He's got break in college. Or grad school. Bruno knows what it means when the mama cooks. Here comes the Rooney. Where's JJ? Let's go see where JJ is. JJ! JJ! What you doing out there? Are you getting in trouble? So, let's come help the mama cooking, guys. Look at what I got. Come on. Look at what the mama got. She's got some cream cheese wrappers. Oh my goodness. I actually have two. So these are the cream cheese wrappers. It's good stuff, isn't it? You should listen to the mama when I say come. Look at what I got here. Oh, there was a lot of stuff on this one, huh? What the mama got. Well, I'm gonna have you lick it. It's a special birthday. Here, Rooney Patoonie, you can have this one. Let them lick here. Well, you got it on your ears. Bruno is so big, his whole head fits in the bowl. Come on, get out. Let somebody else go in there. Mama uses all good ingredients. Let the baby go in there. Let the baby have a lick in there. Rooney, get out of my way. Okay, well, too bad. Oh my goodness. It's the strangest thing. He's scared of the noise it makes. And he doesn't like it. He will back up. He doesn't like stainless steel. Yeah. See, he's barking. He doesn't like it. I'm gonna get some on my finger for him. Come here. Yeah. See? Mama's gonna go. Get out. Get going. Yeah, well, Bruno has a big head. He takes it all for himself. So let's go clean you guys up. We have specialty wipes to clean you guys back up. All clean pugs. Yeah, so Bruno grew up with the boy, with the human boy. And he remembers I used to cook all the time when he was still in high school. Mama cooked every day. And when he was at home. So Bruno knows you spend time in the kitchen and there's good stuff. But since it's only the Pug Daddy and I, we have a meal service come, so we don't cook as often as we used to. And so this is special treat. You still got some stuck somewhere, huh, JJ? So I cleaned them up with these wipes. So they are actually good for their face, and you can use them for their noses too. And they're all clean again. Let's go see how that cheesecake comes out.